Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class. Let us quickly have a look on right answers of your homework questions. The first question was, draw and label the following. A. Line. Look here children, for a line there will be two arrow marks. B. Line segment. You have to draw without arrow marks, that is, it has two endpoints, so it is called as line segment. And the last one, ray. Ray has one arrow mark and other side there will be an endpoint. The second question is, what is the difference between a line and a line segment? Right answer is, line, it has no endpoints. Line segment, it has two endpoints. So this is the difference between a line and a line segment. In today's session, we will be learning about angles and naming an angle. Let us know the important words of today's class. Children, you can repeat after me. First one, degree. Second, initial ray. Third, final ray. Fourth, measure of angle. Fifth, vertex. And last one is arms. Let us know about an angle. Consider the following figures. These figures are formed by two rays with the same initial point. Such figures are called angles. Let me explain. Consider a ray. Dear children, you must always use scale to draw geometrical figures. Now, consider another ray. Let us join both the rays. Look here. Here I am taking one ray. One side we should draw the arrow mark. Considering another ray, that is joining the another ray to the first ray. One more ray with one endpoint and one arrow mark. Can you see here children? I have joined here, two rays. I have used two rays and drawn a figure here. In this figure, the two rays are meeting at one single point. Let me name this point as O. You can give any other alphabet too. Let me name this as A and this as B. So according to the definition of an angle is formed when two rays share common initial point. Initial point means a starting point. So here for both the rays, that is ray OA and ray OB, the starting point for both the rays is O. So there is a formation of an angle here. What it is called? Angle. So it is called as angle. Did you now understand the definition of an angle? When two rays meet each other or share a common initial point, it is called as an angle. So here the common initial point of two rays, that is O, is called as vertex. What we call? Vertex. Vertex means the common initial point of two rays is called as vertex. These two rays, that is ray OA and ray OB, are called as arms of an angle. It is called as arms of an angle. So OA is one arm and OB is another arm. I hope you have understood this. it is just a simple concept here, students. Two rays joining each other at common initial point will form an angle, and this initial point of two rays is called as an vertex. Each ray is called as arm of an angle. OA is one arm and OB is other arm. So we have learnt about an angle, right? Then vertex, initial point, and arms. Our next concept is naming an angle. Dear children, do you know, just like we all have names, angles too have their specific name. Let us know how to name an angle. Can you see the angle here? Yes, the angle is formed when two rays share a common initial point, right? The symbol of an angle is, this is the symbol of an angle. Okay, in this given angle, the common point is O, right? The common point is O. So the angle is denoted as angle BOA or angle AOB. You can either write it as BOA or angle AOB. Make sure the center, that is the initial point, should come at the center. O, here also it is at the center. So this is how we name an angle. Let us consider one more example. Here is one figure where the two rays are joined at same point. Let me name it as X, and this as Y, and this as Z. Remember, you can name it with any English alphabet, but it should be in capital letter. Okay, so how to name this angle? So it is either named as angle ZXY, or we can also call it as angle YYXZ. Remember, this common point should come at the center. Did you understand, students? So which are the arms here? Arms are nothing but this rays. XZ is one arm and the another one is XY. Another one is XY. This is one arm. This is another arm. So which is the vertex? Vertex is nothing but the point, the common point where the two rays are joined. So the vertex, which is the vertex here, vertex is X. Let me show you one more example. An angle is formed not only by two rays, but it can have multiple rays. But the condition is it should meet at one single point. Okay, all the rays should share one common point. There the angle formation will take place. See here, this is one angle. Here is another angle. Here is one more angle. Here and also here. So these are the angles here. Shall we name this? Yes. The first angle is, let us start from here, POT. Angle POT, or we can also write it as angle TOP. Right? This is one angle, POT or TOP. Let us see the next angle. See here, OP is one ray, OQ is one ray. Both are joined at one single point. So the angle formed here is angle, let us start from P, POQ. Angle POQ, or it can also be written as angle QOP. Make sure O should come in middle, because this is where the angle formation will take place. Look at the picture, look at the figure here. O is the place where all the angles have been formed. So O should come in the middle. So this angle is finished, the first one, and the second one is finished. Let us move to the third angle. How to name this? Start from Q, QOS. Yes. Third one is angle QOS, or you can also say it as SOQ. SOQ. Third angle is finished. Let us move to the fourth angle. Start from S, SOR. Angle SOR. Otherwise, we can also write it as angle ROS. Right? Next, the next angle, fifth angle here. Can you see? ROT. Angle ROT, or angle TOR. Yes, you can notice here, everywhere O is in the middle. It represents that the angle is formed at O. Take down today's home assignment. Fill these. First one, when two rays meet each other at a point, dash is formed. Second one, draw an angle and name it. Children, you can use your color pens to draw an angle and also to name it. Thank you. That's all in today's session.